balancing school can be tough, especially for students with disabilities that need to request academic or testing accommodations.
Hi there. If you're a DRES student like me, then you've probably seen some new updates to the SAAS website. Now it's super easy to request accommodations, both testing and academic. Here, let me show you how.
First, let's go to SAAS at csun.edu/SAAS. Now, we can log in with our CSUN username and password. At the beginning of each academic term, you'll get this Terms of Service page. Make sure to read it carefully before checking the box and clicking Submit on the bottom of the page. And we're in! If you've seen the old SAAS homepage, you'll notice a few cosmetic changes, but there's a bit more to it. Clicking SAAS Student Menu brings down the new and improved drop-down menu, which helps you navigate the most important parts of SAAS.
This menu is going to look different depending on your approved accommodations. Like for me, I'm approved for shared notes, so
the option Manage Shared Note Takers shows up. If I wasn't approved for shared notes, then this wouldn't be here. Let's click Request Accommodations and see what my approved accommodations are. This is the accommodations page. Here, I can see my eligible accommodations and services, as well as the list of my courses. On the right, I can click Request Accommodations to put my request in. This is the Terms of Accommodation request. This page just makes sure I know to communicate with my professors about my approved accommodations.
This page in particular is only for DRES services, so if you're registered for services from NCOD, you'll be getting a terms page relating to NCOD.
So I'll just click Submit. Here, I have two lists to choose from. I can get shared notes for my academic accommodations, as well as adjustable furniture and extra time on exams for my testing accommodations. I'll go ahead and check those, then click Submit Accommodation Request. And it's done. This is the receipt for my request, just to show me that it actually went through. And if I need to go back to my courses to make another request, I just click Go to Courses down below, and I'm back to the courses. It's really easy to submit another request for a different course, should I need to. And if I want to see all my requests, I can just click View Accommodations/Services, and a list of all of them and their receipts will show up.
And that's how I request accommodations. It's pretty easy, right? All I have to do now is stay in contact with my professors, and I should be good to go. Oh yeah, I should probably get back to studying. And remember, if you have any questions, you can always call DRES at 818-677-2684 or visit them at Bayramian Hall 110. Right over there. I'll see you around.